Asian Americans, I think we all need to stick together, especially in the arts, and support each other. And that's a big part of the reason why I'm here today, because I really want to support the young kids and the teenagers with dreams. And you know, it's amazing because I never thought that I'd be able to travel the world and perform. And you know, oh my gosh, my experience has been amazing. But without the support of my family and all the Asian American people that have supported me along the way, it just would not be possible. And I want to encourage everybody to support the arts, the performing arts, and it's really important for us. Not only Asian Americans, but the community as a whole in St. Paul. And I'm just amazed at the talent that lies here in St. Paul. I would have never underestimated it, but it's just really eye-opening. And I definitely want to see more presence of this in the community. So I just want to